45-year-old Brian Meadow has Hunter syndrome, a debilitating disorder caused by a lack of a gene that makes an enzyme needed to break down certain big sugar compounds. The sugars can build up in the body like a toxic waste. There's no cure, but last November, Meadow became the first person to participate in a groundbreaking gene editing study to try to permanently change his DNA and cure him.
When they administered the infusion, I was very nervous, a little bit scared.
Through an IV, Meadow received many copies of a corrective gene and a gene editing tool to help put it in a precise spot in his DNA. Gene editing is intended as a more precise way to do gene therapy, to knock out a bad gene or supply a good one that's missing. Doctors hope it will provide a way to address a host of diseases that can't be treated effectively in other ways. Study leader Dr. Joseph Munzer says the main goal of early treatment studies is to test safety, but researchers also look for hints that the therapy is working.
Right now, it's still very early in the clinical trial to be too positive, but at the same time, I'm still very encouraged by what we've seen to date.
Meadow and another patient were given a low dose and saw no change in the level of harmful sugars, but sugars declined by as much as 51% in two other patients who were given a medium dose after 4 months.
But it does suggest the possibility of making enzymes, so only with time if we see the sustained reduction, will be more significant.
They're out of this heat.
And I'm hoping that the gene therapy will halt the progression of Hunter syndrome that I have, and that it'll help the younger people.
As the study continues with other parameters, researchers say they'll have a better sense of the success of the therapy in another 6 months. Faith Lapidus, VOA News.